Remember, you're never selling a product or a service. You are selling the transformation. So a good example of this is Erewhon. Erewhon's a very high-end, bougie, trendy supermarket grocery store in LA. And why do so many people go to Erewhon? Erewhon, they charge $21 for strawberries. They're charging $30 for a water bottle. They're charging $20 for a Haley Bieber smoothie. But why are so many people flocking there? The food they have, it's more health conscious, but the transformation is a healthy lifestyle. It's a certain crowd they want to be, but the main transformation is healthy. It's a lifestyle. That's what they're selling, transformation. It's not just a $20 smoothie they're selling that may or may not even taste good. They're selling the transformation, and it is that lifestyle they're selling. It's that you come here, you shop here, you are living a healthy lifestyle. You're living this healthy, organic, holistic, health conscious, mind altering, spiritual lifestyle. That's why people go there. They think, hey, you know, I'm so unhealthy. I'm sitting all day on my couch, work, office. I want to go to Erewhon, and even if I get a peanut that costs $10, but I feel better about myself. It's the emotions that they're selling, this transformation of I'm now living a healthier lifestyle. So I like Erewhon. It's a very easy one to use. So think about your business. If you're selling IT services, certain dental practices, you're selling them basically safety, security, more time for them to focus on their customers and business. So just think about your business, your offering, your landing page in that sense.